gonna make pen.
What? Ulit. Laksan mo. Hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
We gonna make
coffee.
Yay!
Nice!
Ay, ano
Well,
gagawin natin? Coffee.
yan. This is our ingredient.
With ingredients.
Kita ka dun sa vlog. So,
So,
lalagyan natin to ng
coffee.
coffee. Yan, yung ganito. 2 pieces.
Go.
Lalagyan natin.
And we're gonna put
Lalagyan na Ixo ng sugar. Ito. Yan. Isa pa. Okay, oh no. Isa pa. Okay. Yan. Halo. Yan. Okay. Lalagyan natin ng konting water.
ako can I put it?
Later.
Hawahayo.
Yan. Lagyan natin ng konting water. No, dito.
Oh my God!
Oh, lahat yan. Yan. Gonna put milk.
Coffee making.
Yan.
I'm gonna put it in a coffee.
Okay, we're gonna put it here.
Taan.
Was like this. Put it like that.
Coffee. Egg, yung egg dit.
Yes, our coffee we're gonna look like this. Ayan, binuksan ng letter 1. Failed.